Okay, is it on?
Yes. Ready?
Yep. Ezra, watch out. Stay right there.
Slice my finger open. Good packaging material. Alright. Why don't you come on the side over here? Oh yeah. Nice and dirty. Patent applied for. See that? Okay, so that's the 44 valve. Oh yeah, she's dirty. This is the 55 bell. Patent applied for.
You can't see it. There's a big bell.
Mm-hmm. 31.
Got the snow cone.
Yeah. Patent applied for. Parsippany.
Oh, I didn't notice the other one had a snow cone.
Looks like the power chamber for the 20. Patent applied for. Parsippany. Perfect. You getting that?
Mm-hmm.
Nice and dirty. .37 bell. Patent applied for. Looking good so far.
And there's the big boy.
That would be the big one.
Yep.
Oh my goodness, is that what you said?
That is a huge
That
one.
thing is huge. It's got a little bend in it. See that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Got the snow.
And now the manifold. Oh gosh.
The heaviest thing on the earth.
Oh man, that thing is dirty.
Okay.
All right. Got the tag on
All
it.
the dirt on it.
Doesn't, oh, sorry. Actually, this is in pretty decent shape. Looks like that's been welded right there.
Look at you. Dad, did those are the horns?
Mm-hmm. She's a beast. So this is a CSX Seaboard RS5T. All patent applied for. Looks pretty good. Besides this big bend in the 25, but it's okay. Alright. Good job, Cruzy. You can shut her off.
I don't know how.